So good day, guys. Yeah, it has been a while I post on YouTube. So this video is just a quick trade recap and trade idea on BTC USD. So let's start with the 3 month time frame, or can I say it's a top-down analysis? So guys, please just forget about my Lambo POI. That is personal, okay? So on the 3 month time frame, you can see BTC is bullish here. So BTC is bullish and it has this breakout structure, this first breakout structure, and I'll give an inducement here, inducement level. I give this inducement level here, which means this is the POI BTC will get before it starts buying completely, like really buy. So for now, you can say to this point or to this point. So sorry about my finger. I'm a Toni student, so yeah, I'm an experienced trader. I've been in this game for a really while now. So after this breakout structure here, you can see price gets pulled to this POI here, this one here, and started selling back. And you can see this is a trend line here. This is a market trend that I'm following. Okay, this is a market trend that I'm following, and this is a POI zone. This is a point of interest. I'm expecting price to come, then give a little buy upward. I'm expecting price to do something like this, come to this place, give us a little buy to this trend line to continue the sale. So as Toni said, if you guys are a good listener, if market has the previous price action, that's what we use to analyze to know the correction correctional movement of the market, when market will make an retracement. In the trend, there's impulsive retracement. So price will get to here, give an retracement from this point of interest here, this buy point of interest, though market is on downtrend still, to this trend line or an order block. Then I'll look to continue the sale, but right now I'm currently selling to this main point to break this structure, because price has not yet break the structure. It's just a sweep that is happening right now. So let's go to the lower time frame. Lower time frame, 1 week. So this is the weekly time frame here. This is the weekly time frame, and this is the OB block here. I'm looking price to get to. And sorry, I missed this one. I missed this last one here. Price will still get to this point and do the same thing. If I did not see, first of all, I must see a entry model. When price get to this point, I will look for my entry model in 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. You understand? To buy, to clear the nearest liquidity in that time frame. So it's not like um a main trade. It's not the main trade because I'm not following the bias. So I'm just going to buy to clear it, either a trend line liquidity or any type of liquidity there. But and same thing here, if price get to this point of interest, this is from the daily time frame. I map this POI from the daily time frame. Price might buy to clear the liquidity, then come here again and sell, then before you continue the main buy, the original buy that BTC has not awakened yet. So to the daily time frame now. So this is the daily time frame, and price get to this POI here, this breaker block. Those Toni students, this is today is Monday, June 22. So what has been trending on X is that people that join Toni signal group has street 7SL, the signal group. So those of you that joined the group, sorry, I can feel your pain. Well, you guys will still be good. 7 SL in a row is just the market's condition. Throughout the last 3 months, market was not on a good shape. But this upcoming month, I'm expecting price to do better things. This is the time price will change people's lives. So price get to this breaker block here. Okay, so on the lower time frame, I look for my entry model. So when price get to other block, I went to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, my network is slow, very very slow. So okay, this is, please guys, it is finishing me here. The network is very very bad. So this is it here. So this is a breaker block. So price make a market structure shift, some say market structure shift or change of character, whatever you call it. So price make a market structure shift here. After tapping to this POI, I got my inducement, which is this level on my POI here. So this POI is clear on the 15 minutes time frame, but I don't want to waste you guys time. If I go to the 15 minutes time frame, will be more, you understand. So I take the trade. I took the trade. And my initial TP here will be the daily lower low. The daily lower low. That is my initial TP. So this is currently, let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. This is currently, that is about 1:8. That's about 1:8, 28. Sorry if I say it. This is 1:28.62 risk to reward. So after that, same thing even happened in the 1 hour time frame. So for some people that is thinking, to get a re-entry or miss that 15 minutes on, can re-enter the market from here. So market structure shift, this is the major market structure shift. That is also an internal structure amount. So this is market structure shift, and price clear this liquidity. This is the liquidity sweep here and get to this point of interest. So some people entered from here. This point of interest. Hope you guys can see this way. Let me minimize this thing. This point of interest here. Then some people take another sell from this. Do many traders, most of my friends, this is where they enter from. But I was okay. Let me not just say that. So this was it. So you can see, if it was this initial TP here, they'll be having like 1:11, but I got 1:28. Yeah, but at least all profit is profit. So after this sweep here, so this is the last sweep on the market. So this is a protected low. Price gave us the break of structure here, inducement. So this is one thing I want to tell you guys, one important thing. So please pay close attention. This is another breaker block here. Okay, this is another point of interest where price could reverse, and you can see price respected it, which make it more durable, or what will I say, more higher chance of it working. So you can see price respected it. So this is like a resistance zone, sorry, support. So price like consolidated here, was finding it hard, like going up and down before it finally break here. So it broke it and it become another breaker block here. But normal, I won't use this breaker block to enter this market, because yeah, it does not have any liquidity or anything that is going to protect it, so it's not going to hold. You understand? I'm just using it for extra layout. So this breaker block here, and yes, the same inducement from this BOS. I don't know if you guys are getting me from this BOS here, from this BOS here. And some people pick this as an inducement. Nah, I won't say that. So why some take this as an POI? But do you know why I want to take this as POI? Because I did not really see that point as price won't respect it. It's a low probability. This, some people say it's a breakout block or whatever. Hmm, no, because this thing is just you versus his psychology that matters a lot. When as an express trader, you know what to do, where to take your entry from. Because yeah, you can't really call this a zone for you to sell from. And you can see price is not actually really respected it. This is it here. Price just go above it, and price is about to form. What I'm seeing currently now, price is about to form an NGR liquidity here. So this is the main POI. So for those of you that watch this video early, maybe I'm not sure because I've not been active, so I'm really not sure you guys will see this video early. So price has make it and fake zone here, deceiving traders that okay, price is about to say here, but it's just creating liquidity. Yeah, NGR liquidity here. So I'm still waiting for price to come up to this point, to this point here. Then I'll take this sale, and this gave me total of 1:10. 1:10. And I forgot this about this buy. I was looking, since here is an liquidity level, since this place is an liquidity level, I was looking way to like cash some buys up to my point of interest. So price make this first shift here, this first shift. After price does that, it gave an inducement here, inducement level. Let me mark it out. Let me do it a little bit bigger so that you guys will see. Let me delete this one. Price gave an inducement here. This is the inducement. So price cleared it. So price have stripped this liquidity level, and this is also a protected low. That's why how I was able to cash the buy. So this is all a protected low, and price mitigate this POI here. Price make this mitigate this POI here. Um, I bought from this place. This is 1 hour time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame is much better. And my essay was here, and boom, boom to the boom club. So price gave me 1:5 RR. I put my TP here because I don't know what price gonna do when it got here. My, slow. I want price to give me fast profit once it's close to my TP. I don't want it to, because I will suddenly close the trade because I don't like waiting when price will get to my TP, because once upon a time I I have confidence to do that, and price reversed against me when it got to my close to my TP, very close. So right here I'm just waiting for this sale, this place. So hope you guys find this video helpful. Please do it to like and subscribe, please. If you subscribe, nothing go come off for your body. Yeah, nothing. It's not charging you. I'm not charging you money. I'm actually doing this for free. So please, you guys, I'll drop a description in this video for my X account, for my Twitter. So you guys should go follow me there. I drop trade ideas of the markets, and I'll be active on Telegram soon. So peace. Love you all. Do it to subscribe.